Happy March, everyone. This month we are so excited to be featuring 21 Seeds Tequila as our spirit of the month. They are a female-owned brand and they make infusing your own tequila super easy and non-stressful because they do all of the hard work for you. So today I am using the cucumber and jalapeno version, but we also have cucumber and hibiscus and orange. They are perfect for cocktail making, super clean, easy to drink, and they go beautifully in a margarita. So today I'm using my friend Michael's recipe for a classic marg. It is super delicious and flavorful. There is no margarita mix involved. You actually only need a few things. So it kind of makes margaritas a little more traditional than if you're using a mix at home. So we are going to do 1.5 ounces of this tequila. And if you don't have 21 seeds, you can use whatever you have at home. And I'm using both sides of my jigger. And we're also going to do 1 ounce of Cointreau. This is an orange liqueur. It's super pretty and adds just a little touch of citrus. And we will also need the juice from 1.5 limes. So I did pre-cut those already, and we're just gonna use our citrus press. You can use lime juice from the store as well that's already pre-squeezed. As long as it is unsweetened, you'll still get the same effect. So this is gonna be 1 lime, and then we just have half left. The best part about this tequila is that you don't have to add any more flavoring unless you choose to. We like a little heat, so we're doing 1 thickly sliced jalapeno in there, and I did leave the seeds on. We're gonna seal that up and shake. So you should see that it starts to get condensation, the seeds are broken up in there, and it's gonna be so delicious. To add a little more heat, we're also going to rim the glass with some lime and then do a chipotle and salt mixture on the rim. This is totally optional. You could do salt, you could do sugar, or you could just leave it plain, up to you. We're going to garnish with a cucumber. And for this one, we are going to leave the ice in. We're not going to strain. And voila, easy to make a classic margarita with 21 Seeds Tequila. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Cheers.